Hello children, I am Bindu. Today I am going to teach you the chapter Sound of Physical Science of Grade 8. This is the fourth part of sound. Before going to the fourth part, we shall revise the part 3. Musical sound is pleasing to the ear. Unpleasant sounds are called noise. The sound that provides a pleasing sensation to the ear is called music. Music is produced by the regular patterns of vibrations. Musical instruments are categorized into 4 types: wind instruments, reed instruments, stringed instruments, percussion instruments, trumpet, flute, and shehnai are wind instruments. Tabla and drum are percussion instruments. Violin, guitar, and sitar are examples of stringed instruments. Examples of reed instruments are harmonium and mouth organ. After the completion of this lesson, students will be able to learn the sound produced by humans, know about the mechanism of hearing, noise pollution, health hazards due to noise pollution, controlling noise pollution, hearing loss. Keywords to remember: pinna, eardrum, vocal cord, larynx, headache, earache. This is the mind map of sound. The sound produced by humans. In the human throat, at the upper end of the windpipe, there is a voice box from where sound is produced. That voice box is called the larynx. The larynx has 2 ligaments called vocal cords stretched across it. The vocal cords have a narrow slit through which air is blown in and out. When a person speaks, the air from the lungs is pushed up through the trachea to the larynx. When this air passes through the slit, the vocal cords begin to vibrate and produce a sound. By varying the thickness of the vocal cords, the length of the air column in the slit can be changed. This produces sounds of different pitches. Males generally have thicker and longer vocal cords that produce a deeper, low-pitched sound in comparison with females. Mechanism of human ear. The ear is an important organ for all animals to hear a sound. We are able to hear sound through our ears. The human ear picks up and interprets high frequency vibrations of air. The ears of aquatic animals are designed to pick up high frequency vibrations in the water. The outer and visible part of the human ear is called the pinna, which is curved in shape. It is specially designed to gather sound from the environment, which then reaches the eardrum, which is called tympanic membrane, through the ear canal. When the sound wave strikes the drum, the ossils move inward and outward to create vibrations. These vibrations are then picked up by special types of cells in the inner ear. From the inner ear, the vibrations are sent to the brain in the form of signals. The brain perceives these signals as sounds. Noise pollution. Any sound that is unpleasant to the ear is called noise. It is the unwanted, irritating, and louder sound. Noise is produced by irregular and non-periodic vibrations. Noise gives us stress. The disturbance produced in the environment by loud and harsh sounds from various sources is known as noise pollution. Busy roads, airplanes, electrical appliances such as mixer grinders, washing machines, and untuned radio cause noise pollution. The use of loudspeakers and crackers during the festivals also contributes to noise pollution. The major source of noise pollution is industries. Noise pollution is the byproduct of industrialization, urbanization, and modern civilization. Health hazards due to noise pollution. Noise creates some health hazards. Some of them are listed below. Noise may cause irritation, stress, nervousness, and headache. Long-term exposure to noise may change the sleeping patterns of a person. Sustained exposure to noise may affect hearing ability. Sometimes it leads to loss of hearing. Sudden exposure to louder noise may cause heart attack and unconsciousness. It causes a lack of concentration in one's work. The noise of horns, loudspeakers, etc. causes disturbances leading to lack of concentration. Noise pollution affects a person's peace of mind. It adds to the existing tensions of modern living. These tensions result in disease like high blood pressure or short-tempered nature. Controlling noise pollution. We studied the harmful effects of noise pollution. It becomes necessary for us to reduce it. Noise pollution can be significantly reduced by adopting the following steps. Strict guidelines should be set for the use of loudspeakers on social, religious, and political occasions. All automobiles should have effective silencers. People should be encouraged to refrain from excessive honking while driving. Industrial machines and home appliances should be properly maintained. All communication systems must be operated in low volumes. Residential areas should be free from heavy vehicles. Green corridor belts should be set up around the industries as per the regulations of the Pollution Control Board. People working in noisy factories should wear earplugs. People should be encouraged to plant trees and use absorbing materials like curtains and cushions in their homes. Symptoms of hearing loss. You may have hearing loss without realizing it. The following are the symptoms of hearing loss. Earache, a feeling of fullness of fluid in the ear. Ringing in your ears. Reasons for hearing loss. Hearing loss is caused by various reasons. Some of them are listed below. Aging, ear infections if not treated, certain medicines, genetic disorders, a severe blow to the head, loud noise.